Boat pose. Begin seated with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hands resting beside your hips. Draw your awareness inward and focus on your breath. Keeping your spine straight, lean back slightly and lift your feet, bringing your shins parallel to the floor. Draw your navel in towards your spine, lift your chest, and lengthen the front of your torso. Extend your arms forward in line with your shoulders, with your palms facing each other, or you can keep them resting beside your hips. Balance on your sits bones, keeping your spine straight. With an exhalation, straighten your legs to a 45-degree angle from the ground, bringing your body into a V shape. Soften your eyes and your face. Gaze at your toes. If your arms are parallel to the floor, spread your shoulder blades wide and reach out through your fingers. Actively engage your hands. Stay in this pose for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To release the pose, exhale as you lower your legs and your hands to the floor.